So after 1 week in the fridge, this is how it looks. Still good. Let's try. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make something very simple. A very healthy snack that you can prepare at home in under 5 minutes. You don't need to bake this one, you don't need to cook it. You just need the fridge to cool it down. And the ingredients that you're going to need for this one, of course, is whole oats. I prefer this one rather than the quick cooking oats. And whey protein powder. It doesn't matter what the brand or the flavor, but I prefer chocolate. Fresh milk. If you want less fat, you can use skim milk. And coconut oil for the aroma. And peanut butter. I prefer this brand because it doesn't taste too sweet compared to the most brands that we have in the Philippines. And optional guys, if you want, you can have almonds to put on top. So without further ado, let's start. So after 1 week in the fridge, this is how it looks. Still good. Let's try. Top, chewy pa rin. And the nut is perfect on top. High in fiber, high in protein. It's cheap because you made it at home. You should try this at home. This is not just for all the gym goers out there, but everyone who has an active lifestyle. This is a perfect energy bar for you. If you like this video guys, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and see you on the next TitoJep Eats.